Super duper Duke. This bike is definitely on steroids. Now, the world saw a 2019 update earlier in the year, but we are getting to see it for the very first time at Intermot 2018, and this is all thanks to Michelin, our official sponsor for our current international expos. Moving on to the motorcycle, the KTM 1290 Super Duke. The name itself has got some weight.
Yeah, it's Super Duke, then it's got the R in there, and
Ouch.
It is a pretty mental motorcycle. In terms of updates for 2019, there aren't any in terms of mechanicals. So same motor, but what a stonker of a motor it is. 1301cc V-twin makes 177 horsepower. I mean, come on, from a naked motorcycle. It makes 144 Newton meters of torque.
Which means when you go on the gas, your front wheels up in the air. So if you are ever going to buy a 1290 Super Duke, I'm going to guarantee you this, that the front is never going to be replaced.
Absolutely.
Isn't that
just
right?
replace rear tires all the time because it is spinning them a lot as well. So.
Absolutely, but kind of taking control of that is an electronics package in place, PD. You have got traction control, you have got wheelie control, but the funny thing is, KTM is also providing some accessories, and leading this accessories charge is a track kit. And you know what changes in that track?
Yeah, I've heard that there's options to turn off ABS and to turn off wheelie control and have launch control as well.
You have to be a little loco to kind of shut down some of the electronics and turn off wheelie control on a motorcycle that is so heavy on power. As far as the equipment goes, you have WP taking care of the suspension bit, both on the front as well as the rear, fully adjustable. And as far as braking goes, you have Brembos for both.
All top-notch components out there, better than most leader class nakeds as well in that sense.
Absolutely. Now, just a quick word. The ABS system on this is coming in from Bosch, and this is also going to come in with cornering ABS.
It's based on a 6-axis IMU, so accelerating, braking, cornering, so it'll sense all that and then adjust the ABS accordingly, so you don't sort of get off track when you're sort of on the brakes in a corner.
This also has a supermoto mode, which by the way can turn off the ABS only on the rear wheel, so that you can slide, have all the fun, and it is kind of similar. In fact, it is the similar
same thing,
yeah, that we see on the KTM 390 Duke that we have in the country.
India, yes.
Do you think the 1290 Super Duke will ever make its way to India, and do you want it here?
So Varun, hold up. There's one small thing we missed out on, and that is the actual update for 2019 at Intermot.
I get lost with the beauty of these motorcycles.
Yeah, I mean, just
excuse me for that. Yes.
But the small update here is that, like other bikes as well, it has got a new paint scheme, and it's a sort of a black and white paint scheme. So it does look pretty sweet on that front.
Absolutely, it does look pretty sweet. And like I said, do you think it looks pretty sweet, and do you think it should make its way to India? Let us know by hitting that like button. Let us know by dropping in your comments. And obviously, when you share these videos ahead, make sure you tag Michelin. We will see you in a bit with more motoring updates from Intermot as well as the Paris Motor Show.